Here's how to scrape Alibaba supplier details with no coding knowledge. For this, we'll need the Alibaba scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press supplier's details. As you can see, we extracted the details of this supplier. You can do this for many different suppliers. Now, press on the settings. Then head to Stored Data. In here you can find all the data you scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now to customize this, press on Customize. Then press on Supplier Details. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add a criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press Save. You can also find more features in the add-ons section. Now, to export this, press Add to Export List. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.